Hi, Archana.
Hello.
Hello.
Archana, kindly unmute. Kindly unmute your audio.
Archana, do you have any question or anything you want to ask about our university? You can type in the chat box or you can say by unmuting.
Archana, can you hear us? Archana, would you like to know about our university or any specific course of our university? If your audio is not working, kindly you can chat in chat box. We will reply you.
Good morning, Archana. Can you hear us? Yeah, hi, Shondeep.
My brother
Mhm.
for engineering course.
What kind of engineering course? Which stream?
Uh, Actually, so what are the streams do you offer over there in the college? All the streams?
Yeah, hi,
All.
Ranjana. For engineering course, you can the best way to search for any course from our university. What is the best method? You can go to. I'm just doing the screen sharing, okay, for your better understanding. Just
Huh.
a second. I'm sharing the screen. Okay, I think
Kindly,
you
kindly,
can.
kindly share the school. I think.
Yeah, you can share. See the screen,
Screen.
right?
Yes, I
Yeah.
can.
So, okay. Yeah, it is the website address that is
Hmm.
macoutw.ac.in. You can go to that university website. Then in
Yes.
the academics, there are the departments and schools. Just go to that link and it will be open just for a second. Here for the engineering, basically there are several departments. One is the computer science and engineering department.
Hmm.
Another is the information technology department. Another is the VLSI department that falls under the natural science department. So there are different schools. I hope you can currently see that is for
Yes.
the in the biotechnology department. You can also go. It is basically the amalgamation of the engineering and the biology that you have known. This
Mhm.
department we have another from that department. There are these three departments that falls under School of Computational Science that you were
Hmm.
talking about the engineering department, that is the department of CSE. I have already told department of
Yes.
IT and
Hmm.
department center for geoinformatics and special sciences.
What is
Myself,
geoinformatic?
that is geoinformatics, that is the geography with the
Okay.
information, okay, and with
Hmm. Hmm.
special sciences, that is on space sciences. Now
Okay.
under the,
Okay.
okay, now under the School of Engineering Science there is this IEM, that another is the microelectronics and VLSI I was telling you, right?
Yes.
Another thing is that the Department of Media Science is there. We have a
Hmm.
center for robotics and 3D printing as well. There is a
Okay.
center for biomedical engineering. There is center for animation. There is center for virtual and augmented reality as well. That is the AR VR. Okay.
Yes, 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 yes.
Other than we have the School of Engineering and Environmental Science. Under these are the departments are there. Also, there is Center for Waste Management. This is for the School of Management Science. I think this doesn't belong to you as we are talking about engineering.
Okay, let me explain about this department,
Yes,
School
okay.
of Natural and Applied Science.
Yes, sir.
We have Department of Applied Science, Department of Forensic Science, and Department of Material Science and Technology. So please, would you please scroll, Dr. Suparna?
Yeah. Please. Just
Yes.
check.
We have also a deep school that contains Department of Food Technology, Department of Pharmaceutical Technology, and Medical Science and Technology. So under this school, there is a Department Food Science and Technology. There is a MSc in Food Science and BSc. We have Department of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology. We are going to start this course M-Pharm, and we have also some certificate course on pharmacovigilance. Lots of jobs are there in the industry. And also we are going to start pharmaceutical analytics certificate course under this Department of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you. But yes, but you said you also have micro technology. You said something.
Microelectronics and VLSI, right?
Yeah. No. Sir was explaining that
Pharmaceutical department.
MSc in microbiology or MSc in micro something.
Here we have MSc in Food Science and Technology.
MSc in Food Science and Technology. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. And we have also M-Pharm in Pharmaceutical Science and Technology, Pharmacovigilance, and Pharmaceutical Analytics. The emerging areas, lots of jobs are there in this field. And we have also the Department of Biotechnology. A lot of courses are there regarding the MSc, biotech, genetics, bioinformatics, all these things.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So,
and thank you, madam.
Yeah, thank you to you. And which department you are interested?
See, you know that microbiology. I think that's what sir said. No, that the emerging one pharmacy. So let me talk to my brother and also update him about the new things which is coming up in the market, like sir just mentioned. So let me talk to. I've already seen the website, very nicely explained. So I will certainly get back to you.
And also any department. Suppose you click on this particular department, that is a pharmacy you are talking about. You are interested in. You can get the details of sir as well. I think. Yeah, and faculty details. I think the internet is very slow currently. If you click on that department, you can just see that is the sir was telling you, right? Yes, sir. Do you want to explain anything more as she is interested in pharmacy, this particular specialization?
Yeah, certainly, ma'am. Certainly. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Suparna.
Yeah, hi, Praveen. Parveen, yeah, sorry. Parveen, you need to unmute yourself.
हाँ जी.
Yeah, हाँ, बोलिए जी.
जी मैडम, थोड़ा आपका कॉलेज के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. तो फिर ये आप हमारी हाँ, बोलिए.
आपका फोटो नहीं आ रहा है इस पे?
नहीं, ये वीडियो ऑफ किया गया है. मैं आपको स्क्रीन शेयर कर रही हूँ. मैं आपको यूनिवर्सिटी को वेबसाइट दिखा रही हूँ. ओके, जस्ट अ सेकंड. आप देख पा रहे हैं, राइट? पेज, ये गूगल का पेज देख. Yeah, right. So this is the university website for you can go to the macoutw.ac.in. ठीक है, ये हमारा गवर्नमेंट स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एडेड यूनिवर्सिटी है और हमारे अंडर 200 से ज्यादा कॉलेजेस एफिलिएटेड है. वी आर द एफिलिएटिंग यूनिवर्सिटी. हमारा यूनिवर्सिटी का पूरा नाम है मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. देयर आर सेवरल स्कूल्स आर ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट. Yeah, Hoshan sir, you want to explain about the
school? So we have many schools in our university.
सर थोड़ा अगर हिंदी में समझाएंगे क्योंकि हम मेन अपना साला के लिए देख रहे हैं तो थोड़ा
ओके. क्या है, हमारा स्कूल है स्कूल ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल साइंस. उसका अंदर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी है, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स, एग्रोबायोटेक एंड बायो रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट एंड बायो इकोनॉमी. In School of Computational Science, please scroll it, Dr. Suparna. Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Department of IT, Center of Geoinformatics and Spatial Science. Another, under that School of Engineering Science, you will get Department of Industrial Engineering and Management, Department of Microelectronics and VLSI Technology, Department of Media Science, Robotics and 3D Printing, Biomedical Engineering, Center for Animation, Center for Virtual and Augmented Reality. And under the School of Energy and Environmental Science, the courses are, kindly scroll it. Department of Environmental Science, Department of Renewable Energy and Center for Waste Utilization. School of Management Science offers courses, Department of Management, Department of Hospital Management, Department of Travel and Tourism, और नेचुरल एंड अप्लाइड साइंस स्कूल, यहाँ पर भी एक कोर्स है, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ अप्लाइड साइंस, फॉरेंसिक साइंस, मटेरियल साइंस, एंड ये और एक डिपार्टमेंट स्कूल है वहाँ पर फूड साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी, फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, एम फार्म, मेडिकल साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी कोर्स है हमारा यूनिवर्सिटी।
हाँ तो परवीन जी, आपको कौन से कोर्स के बारे में जानना है बोलिए, हम उसके बारे में और डिटेल्स में बताएंगे।
नहीं, वो बी फार्मा के बारे में बोल रहे थे कि कुछ अगर पता चल सकता है।
ये वाला डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल, ये वाला पूछ रहे हैं ना?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, वो फार्मेसी बी फार्मा के बारे में पूछ रहे थे, क्योंकि वो बायोलॉजी और वो लेके 12th किए हैं, तो कहते थोड़ा, और केमिस्ट्री वो लेके किए थे, तो कहते हम साइंस से किए हैं, तो हमें थोड़ा बी फार्मा के बारे में अगर जानकारी मिल जाता तो ज्यादा बेहतर रहता, क्योंकि हम
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर तो है ही उसी डिपार्टमेंट का। सर आप तो फिर एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए, ये डिपार्टमेंट
हमारा डिपार्टमेंट है फार्मास्यूटिकल टेक्नोलॉजी। यहाँ पर अभी हम लोग एम फार्म स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, मास्टर ऑफ फार्मेसी।
अच्छा जी।
और सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स है फार्माकोविजिलेंस, फार्मास्यूटिकल एनालिटिक्स। इसी साल में हमारा बी फार्म हम स्टार्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, एम फार्म हमारा स्टार्ट हो रहा है।
ये एमएससी इन फार्मास्यूटिकल एनालिसिस
ये कोर्स नहीं है अभी, एमएससी फार्मेसी एनालिसिस नहीं है इसको।
अच्छा, तो फिर अगर आपको जो है वो बैचलर्स के लिए ढूंढ रहे हैं ना, बायोलॉजी के रिलेटेड बैचलर्स, तो फिर अगर आपको बायोलॉजी के रिलेटेड बैचलर ढूंढना है, आप ये जा सकते हैं डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी या डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स जा सकते हैं। इसमें भी बायोलॉजी के लेके बायोलॉजी और इंजीनियरिंग दोनों का एमलगमेशन है। ये दो कोर्स आप देख सकते हैं, ठीक है। ये बायोलॉजी रिलेटेड कोर्स है। यहाँ पर सेंटर फॉर ये देख सकते हैं, सेंटर फॉर एग्रो बायोटेक्नोलॉजी और सेंटर फॉर बायो रिसोर्स, ये बायोलॉजी रिलेटेड कोर्सेस है। इसके अलावा आप ये सेंटर फॉर बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग भी देख सकते हैं, बायोलॉजी रिलेटेड। अगर आपको कुछ थोड़ा सा ऑफ बीट जाना है, जो अभी तो एनवायरनमेंट बहुत ज्यादा फेमस है, मतलब एनवायरनमेंट को लेके स्टडी बहुत ज्यादा चल रहा है, तो इसलिए आप डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल साइंस ये जो है यहाँ पर कोर्सेज देख सकते हैं।
तो इसमें क्या होता है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट?
हाँ, ये है आपको एनवायरनमेंट लेके स्टडी। एनवायरनमेंट के डिफरेंट जो फैक्टर्स होते हैं, मतलब अगर पोल्यूशन देख लो या फिर जो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग हो रहा है, इन सारी चीजों का। और फिर रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी, मतलब जो सोलर लाइट होता है आपका, जो विंड का जो होता है एनर्जी, ठीक है। जो डिफरेंट जो रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी मतलब है, आपको एक तो एनर्जी हमको आता है, अगर सपोज कोल है तो आप कोल को जला रहे हैं, उससे आपको एनर्जी मिल रहा है, वो है। पर कोल क्या है ना, एक तो लिमिटेड सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी है, वो एक टाइम के बाद वो एनर्जी हमें नहीं मिलने वाला। पर जो है पानी, अगर आप वाटर पकड़ लीजिए, हम अगर पानी से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट कर पाए तो पानी तो हमारे पास अनलिमिटेड है, तो फिर हम उसे रिन्यू कर सकते हैं इस एनर्जी सोर्स को, तो वो है रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी इसमें है। और एक आप सेंटर फॉर वेस्ट यूटिलाइजेशन, ये वाला भी विजिट कर सकते हैं। इसमें आप देख पाएंगे वेस्ट यूटिलाइजेशन के बारे में, ठीक है। आपका बेस्ट ऑप्शन है, अगर आपको बहुत और ज्यादा जानना है, आप ये वेबसाइट नोट कर लीजिए, macautw.ac.in। आप काइंडली ये लिख लीजिए, macaut macautw.ac.in। यहाँ पर आइए, आपको ये सारे कोर्सेज के बारे में मिल जाएगा अंडर दिस एकेडमिक्स, इस हेडिंग के अंडर डिपार्टमेंट एंड स्कूल्स, इसमें जाइए। हमारा अभी हम 1 साल हो चुके हैं। हम पहले जो हमारे जो यूनिवर्सिटी का जो कैंपस था वो सॉल्ट लेक में था, उसका एरिया उतना भी बड़ा नहीं था। अभी हम शिफ्ट कर चुके हैं होरिंगखटा में, हमारे पास स्क्रॉलिंग कैंपस है, बहुत सारे लैब्स है, डिपार्टमेंट्स है। इन सारे चीजों के बारे में अगर आपको जानना है, ये फैसिलिटीज एंड एक्टिविटीज इस टैब में आप आएंगे तो इस फोटो गैलरी में क्लिक कर सकते हैं। इसमें आपको मिल जाएगा हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में कितने सारे काम हो रहे हैं अभी, मतलब कितना बड़ा ये जो है मैं बोल रही थी आपको सॉल्ट लेक का कैंपस था, ये वाला हमारा एक कैंपस है हमारे सिटी में। इसके अलावा हमारे होरिनघाटा कैंपस, इसके बारे में आप जान सकते हैं इस पर्टिकुलर लिंक क्लिक करके। बहुत बड़ा कैंपस है, बहुत सारे फैसिलिटीज है। और आपको एक बात मैं हमेशा बोलूंगी, हमारे गवर्नमेंट एडेड यूनिवर्सिटी है, ठीक है। तो अगर आपको तो पता ही होगा किसी भी गवर्नमेंट में पढ़ने से तो अलग ही आपका कोर्स का वैलिडेशन हो जाता है। तो फिर मैं तो बहुत सजेस्ट करूंगी आप यूनिवर्सिटी के ये वाला पेज पे देख लीजिए। यहाँ पर जो भी हमारा एक्टिविटीज हो रहा है सारे आपको मिल जाएगा। हमारे जो कॉन्वोकेशन के जो पिक्चर्स है वो मिलेंगे
तो
आपको।
आपका ये
हाँ
फीस का क्या हिसाब किताब
हाँ बिल्कुल,
है
उसके लिए आपको मेरे बात पे जाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। आप यूनिवर्सिटी की होम पेज पे जाएंगे, यहाँ पर आपको इन हाउस कोर्स फी मिल जाएगा। मैं आपको ओपन इन न्यू करके बताती हूँ, एक सेकंड जस्ट। ये पेज है, ये आप यूनिवर्सिटी के होम पेज पे आ जाएंगे ना, तो फिर देखना ऊपर ये इन हाउस कोर्स फी करके एक लिंक घूमता रहेगा, ठीक है। आप वहां पर आ जाइएगा। उसके बाद आप एक सेकेंड जस्ट, हाँ ये वाला पेज आपको दिखाई दे रहा है। यहाँ पर देखिए हर एक कोर्स जो है, हर एक कोर्स का कोर्स फी है। अगर आप यहाँ पर टोटल साइट पे देखेंगे तो आपको आपके हिसाब से पता चल जाएगा कितना नॉमिनल फीस है, क्योंकि हमारा गवर्नमेंट यूनिवर्सिटी है, हम कोई प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं है। तो फिर अगर आपको कोर्स फी भी इतना कम मिलेगा, मतलब इतना अच्छा फैसिलिटीज के साथ इतना कम कोर्स फी, तो ये आपको और कहीं भी नहीं मिलने वाला। इतना हाईली क्वालिफाइड फैकल्टीज ज्यादा, हाईली इतना मतलब हिंदी में बोल लूंगी तो मैं, इतना अच्छा जो लैब फैसिलिटीज है हमारे पास, इतना मौज है हमारे पास। उसके
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा?
हाँ हेलो हेलो, क्या आप अभी सुनाई दे रहा है? हेलो
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ
हाँ
जी।
हाँ हाँ, आप ये देख लीजिए कोर्स फी टोटल देख लीजिए। आपको हर एक कोर्स का इंडिविजुअल कोर्स का कोर्स फी मिलेगा। आपको कौन से सेम एडमिशन फी उसका क्या है, ट्यूशन फी, पार्ट सेम क्या है, टोटल सेम कितने होने वाले, क्योंकि अगर ये एमएससी है तो फिर 4 सेम होगा। अगर आप बीटेक पे चले जाएंगे, मतलब बैचलर डिग्री पे जाएंगे, तो फिर देखिए ये सारे मतलब पूरा डिटेल्स दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर, कितने क्या क्या सर्टिफिकेट कोर्सेज है। मतलब आपको दिखाई तो दे रहा होगा कितना कोर्सेज है हमारे पास,
तो
कितना
आपका
कोर्स।
हॉस्टल भी है मैडम?
हाँ बिल्कुल, हमारा बॉयज हॉस्टल है, गर्ल्स हॉस्टल है, उसके साथ दोनों अलग अलग कैंटीन है। इसके अलावा हमारा फैकल्टी कैंटीन अलग है हमारे।
और ये जो हॉस्टल का है ये क्या तीनों साल मिलता है या कुछ है इसमें अलग से
नहीं
कुछ?
नहीं नहीं, आप जिस दिन मतलब जिस दिन से स्टूडेंट एडमिशन होगा उसी दिन से हॉस्टल मिल जाएगा। हॉस्टल का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
अच्छा ठीक है धन्यवाद। हम 3 बजे के आसपास, 3 सवा 3 बजे फिर आएंगे उनके साथ।
बिल्कुल
हाँ
बिल्कुल,
हाँ,
आ
तब
जाइएगा।
आपको अच्छा, हाँ ठीक है।
आप ये यूनिवर्सिटी का ये वेबसाइट एड्रेस लिख लीजिएगा। आपको आप
ये हम लिख लिए हैं।
बिल्कुल
ये
सर,
हम लिख लिए हैं।
हम बहुत ही
हाँ
ज्यादा आशा करेंगे आप हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में ज्वाइन करिएगा, मतलब आपका जो
बिल्कुल
साला है
बिल्कुल।
जो है। थैंक यू सर,
जी
थैंक यू।
जी जी। धन्यवाद धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद आपको भी। Yeah, okay, so I'm just sharing the screen with you. Just see, you can see the screen, right? The Google
Right,
Chrome.
ma'am.
Yeah, in the Google Chrome screen, this is the university website. It will be better if you can write it down. That is
Okay.
macautwb.ac.in.
Okay, ma'am.
macautwb.ac.in. Okay, this is a state government aided university. So the features will be in that way. So these are the different schools and departments is there. Okay, so after going to the home page of the university, what do you need to do? You need to go to this academics tab. Okay, under this
Okay.
academics tab there is a department and schools tab. Okay, just click on that
Okay.
thing. In that thing we are
Okay.
going to get this page. This page will be there. Okay, in the you are talking about hospital management, right? Hospital management, Ajay.
Yeah. Hotel
Hospital.
management. Hotel management, ma'am.
There is no hotel management. I think there is
Hospitality management.
a travel and tourism department is there. There is a hospital management department is there. There is a department for
Yeah, ma'am.
management.
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay, so in the hospital management department, these are the hospital management department. There are two courses are there: BBA in hospital management, MBA in hospital management. Okay, so here you can just go through there are different things about that. There is the about how many courses are there, 2 courses are there, and there is a faculty and the fee structure. You can go, if you just click on that fee structure, you can just go about this. And if you want to know fee structure about any other courses, there is this link you can see, that is the in-house course fee. If you can click
Okay.
on that page, you are going to get to this particular page will be there. Here each of the courses have been there, that is the MSc MTech courses, and what is the total fee. And if you just look at the total fee, you can yourself get that how much less fee is that, as it's a state government aided university.
State government.
This total thing you are going to, and we have more than 200 affiliating, that is more than 200 colleges, those are affiliated under our university. Okay, so this is the
Okay.
affiliating university ourselves is a this is the highest affiliating university in the West Bengal, as per the number of colleges and number of courses you can get here. Okay, so these are the different courses and these are the course fee. If you want to know about the course fee about any of the courses are there, you can just go to the scroll on this page, that is by clicking on this. We have got the NIRF ranking as well, that is the ranking list you can get over here. That is the different examinations, JMET and CT examinations are there. You can go and look for these things. And the hostel fees, if you want to know, then we have 2 hostels are there. One is for the girls, one is for the boys. 2 different canteens are there. There are the canteens for the faculty, for the other staff. There are separate canteens are there. There is a huge playground. We have got 2 different campuses actually. This is the campus situated in our Kolkata, that is a Salt Lake campus, is the main campus. Apart from that, we have a sprawling campus at the Horinghata. It's a huge campus. If you want to know the different activities of the university, you can just come to this particular page, and here you are going to get the different activities are currently going on in our university. You can know about the different university details here by going to the home page of the university. Here you are going to get the when the examination will be there, when is the means you want to take admission in the university, right? So for that,
Right.
for which time the examination will be there in the notice. Internet is very slow actually, just a second. Yeah, here you can see that there's a examination portal is there. Placement, we have a separate placement portal. There is a main page that I have told you, right? This particular link you have to note down. If in this link, going by this link, you can get the alumni, PhD transcript, different these type of links are there, and these are the notices that are kindly different certificate programs, as it's a university not a college, so we can have different certificate programs for the teachers as well. These are the activities, know that publications, you can get the publications by the university. These are the programs that are currently going on in our university. These are just some of the glimpse of the programs. Apart from that, there are several webinars are going on, and each week around 4 to 5 webinars from taking the faculties from all over the world. We are organizing these webinars are there. You can visit our Facebook page, that is in the same name, that is the Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology. If you just search this particular thing in the YouTube as well, then you are going to get the idea of the videos. There are videos for how the university campus looks like. You can get that thing. Earlier, the university was named as West Bengal University of Technology. Currently, the name has been Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology. So these are the things. Best thing will be, so just see, that is the calendar details are there. Just few of the things that is for this January, but throughout this thing, that is during the lockdown, you might think that the lockdown would have been taken as that there is no classes. No, all the
Yeah.
classes are going on in the online platform,
Online.
like you are in the Zoom. Same way we have a My Perfectis portal that is dedicated for the Mac out. There we have taken the classes. So these are the university images. These are the actual images, not any photoshopped images. These are the actual images. This is the guest house of our university. You can just see, this is the university buildings I was talking about. This is the library building. Okay, and this is the academic building. These are the administrative building. These are the university buildings that there. This is the
Okay.
actual images of our university.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for sharing the information, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Shondeep. Hi, Shondeep. Do you want to know anything? Hello everyone. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so I'm just sharing the screen with you. I hope you can just view it. Is it visible to you, sir?
Now it is visible to your photograph.
No, not my photograph. This web page is visible to you currently.
Now
Yeah.
it has come.
Yeah, this is our university address. I think if for any query, it will be better if you could write down this address. That is Makaut, MAKAUT. Then West Bengal, that is a short form. That is a WB. That is MAKAUT.WB.AC.in. Please sir, write it down for any further queries you have. Okay, so this is the state government affiliated university, and it is a university, and we have a affiliating nature. Under our university there are more than 200 colleges who are affiliated to our university. You can see that is in the front page that the NIRF ranking for our university has been given, and this university is NAC accredited. This is the page of that is a different cultural programs, different professional activities, different workshops that you can get a glimpse of that. Apart from that, these are the different tabs. If you want to click on the different tabs, you can know that what are the different activities are going on in our university currently. These are the pages of the images of our actual university that is situated in the Horinghata campus. We have actually two campuses. The one is in the Kolkata in the Salt Lake campus. This campus is in Horinghata. These are the actual images of that Horinghata campus. It's not photoshopped or anything like that. It's the actual images. This is basically the library building. This is the academic building. This is the administrative building. You can see there is a guest house. Is that apart from that, that is not shown in this particular images, are that we have girls hostel, boys hostel. Both the hostels have their own canteen facilities are there. Throughout this lockdown, during this COVID-19, we have a series of webinars that has been organized in our university. All the study related activities are going on by the online activities way. These are the academic tabs. Here you can go to this department and school section, that is will lead you to this page. Here you can see that is a different schools are available here, and for each of the school how many departments are currently there, and each you click any of the particular department. Suppose I am clicking this CSE department, that is I am being faculty of the permanent faculty in this particular department of computer science and engineering. You can go to any of the department by clicking there. So I have just clicked it. Just a second, the internet is quite slow. Here you can get the details of each of the faculties, the vision mission of the department, the courses are currently there, The POs, these are needed for the NAC and NBA that we have already done these things. These are the courses are there. We have currently in this particular, for only this particular department, CSE department, we have BTech in CSE program, and then there are two MTech programs or PG programs are there. One is in MTech in computer science and engineering, and there is MTech in software engineering. These are the eligibility to get admission in these things that has been written. Here you can see that is the details of each of the faculties are there along with their designations. This will be the my profile is over here. Apart from this, if you want to know the fee structure of the university, here in this in-house course fee tab, you can just go and here you can get the details of the fee structure. This thing that is the details of the fee structure you can get for each of the course, not only for the CS department, but each of the course that is there for any of the department. So if you kindly let me know that in which particular domain you are interested, that is BTech, MTech or BSc, MSc, or in which type of department I can give you much
No,
more.
do you have journalism, mass communication journalism?
Yeah. We have this department that is the management department, hospital management, that is travel tourism. These type of departments are there. But right now these are there are journalism. There is courses are there. But it's not in the website, haven't been updated, but we have some courses in journalism as well. I cannot find it currently in the, actually I belong to the CSE department, so
No, so that you can tell me the journalism course you used to organize, or there is no journalism course?
just a
And-
second, I'm just asking one of my Hoshan sir,
and-
are you just a second sir, I'm just giving you an
Yeah.
answer. Hoshan sir, are you there? Hello, hello Hoshan sir, can you mm, hello
I think
Hoshan
so.
sir,
I think so. He is not available.
actually I'm asking one of my colleague to give the
Fine.
answer.
No. Fine. There's no problem. I want to know whether you have or not, and
Hello,
if you have.
I am here.
Yeah,
Hello.
Hossein sir, he has Shamul sir has the question about the journalism. Do you have journalism course in our university? Can you please give him some?
Certificate course certificate course. Yes, Samuel Ghosh, please tell. What do you want to know from us?
Pardon me?
Yes, please.
No, I'm interested for the journalism course, whether you are used to organize that course, and if it is, what is the intake of the student every year?
Okay, in journalism, right?
Yeah.
So I think in websites, Sriporna.
Yes, actually in the website it's not there mentioned, sir.
Okay. So it is not there in website.
No, it's not.
No.
Sir. No, journalism
Okay.
is not there.
So let me check. The SOA has sent up details.
Okay.
I'm
Can you
checking.
just share it in the file?
So it is in WhatsApp. So I'm just checking.
Okay. Just a second, sir. Just a Samuel, sir. Just a second. Can you just forward me?
Oh, journalism. No, journalism is journalism. Journalism is there. No, journalism is not there.
Journalism is not there.
I don't have any information.
Okay. Okay, I can share my email ID.
Yes, sir.
And you just send your little profile of the university.
Yeah.
And because mainly I am looking for my daughter for the mass communication, I thought, okay, fine, I can find out from your end. But okay, fine, whenever we have interact, maybe if she's not interested for the mass communication, if she interested something else, I can get in touch with you. So you just note down my email ID and send your
yes, sir. Tell me.
link. This is shamal dot SHYAMAL
yeah.
dot 6856 @gmail.com.
Yeah. Okay, sir. So hyamal6856@gmail.com.
Yeah,
Yeah, sir.
yeah. You can
We
send your
are,
link. I can go through.
yeah, I will certainly forward it to the company authority.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye
Okay, ma'am.
bye.
Can I ask my question
Yeah,
now?
yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Actually, my brother he has done hotel management from IHM Hyderabad. So now he want to do like master's course in hospital administration.
Yeah, we have
Course you
that.
have.
Yeah,
So
just a second.
since nowadays there are very nice opportunities in hospitals, the way things are going on. So this is one of the major sectors which is blooming up, where vacancies are coming up on higher positions. So if in case you can guide me what are different criteria for same.
Just a second, sir. I'm just sharing the screen with you.
Yes.
I think you can check it, right?
Right, I can see that.
Yeah, this particular you are talking about, this basically belongs to our School of Management Science. Here you can just note down our website address. Here you can got that there are 3 departments are there: Department of Management, Department of Hospital Management, Department of Travel and Tourism. Under this hospital management, I think you are looking for the hospital management, right, sir?
Right.
Yeah, in the Department of Hospital Management, just a second, sir. This link is just taking a little bit time. Just a second. Sorry for the delay, sir. Yeah, there are 2 courses are there. One is BBA in Hospital Management, another is MBA in Hospital Management are there. These are the courses, and the admission for that, the admission notices, you need to go to our main website page. In the main website page, these notices you can see, right? That the cursor you can see, sir.
But what I want to know is these things I can also check. But I want to ask questions which I won't be able to check in it. Like
Yes,
first
sir.
thing is,
What
if
type of?
in case my brother has done hotel management, BSc hotel management, then is he eligible to take admission in Department of Hospital Management?
Okay, sir. Can you just give me your email ID, so then I will send the to the concerned person to tell you in details of the
Yes,
determined
of course.
admission
You can write.
procedure. Yeah, sir. Please, sir. Tell me.
It is Sameer, SAMEER
Yeah.
.MANN
Dot M A, right?
MANN. It is written on my name. You can
Yeah,
see.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sameer.man
Submit that man. Yeah, right, sir. Your name then.
21@gmail.com.
21@gmail.com. And your question is about to know the criteria of getting admission into.
Not exactly criteria. My question is, can someone pursue this masters in hospital management after doing BSc in hotel management? Is he eligible for that?
Yes,
It is
sir,
very specific.
definitely.
And what are future prospects after doing this?
Obviously, sir. I will send forward it to the concerned person, and he will contact with you shortly.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much.